All right, hello once again. This is Jeff Scott of Rankin Technical College, and as part of the Rankin Technical College AWD 1000 Web Development Technologies course, I've been creating a series of video presentations that are based on the Mozilla Developer Network Learn Web Development series. We're in the server-side programming section under the Express Node.js, and we are going through this local library tutorial that they have. We're on part 5, which is broken up, as you can see, into 12 pieces. So far, under the Displaying Library Data Tutorial subarticles, we've gone through the asynchronous flow control using async and the template primer. So it's time for the local library base template, and then we're going to get into some of our pages. So now that we've been, let's say, introduced to how to extend templates using Pug, let's start by creating a base template for the project. This will have a sidebar with links for the pages we hope to create across the tutorial articles. So open the layout.pug and replace the content with the code shown. So let's find our layout.pug. And I think, at least, I got a lot of stuff open here. So I'm going to close a bunch of it. Yeah, we'll save that. All right, and I'm going to go back in and open up, again, I want to open up layout.pug. There it is. Right now, as you can see, not too much in it. All right. And we're about to change that. So let's grab everything that's in here. Save it. You'll notice that there probably is a way to code Pug files in the editor that I'm using. All right, which again is Notepad++, and I use that because it's got the light background and it's also easy to make it bigger and smaller, etc. on an as-needed basis. In class, hopefully I'll be using Visual Studio Code for this. So it uses and includes JavaScript and CSS from Bootstrap to improve the layout and presentation of the HTML page. Using Bootstrap or another client-side framework is a quick way to create an attractive page that scales. It also allows us to deal with the page presentation without having to get into the details. The layout should be fairly obvious, as it says. If we've read the above primer, we did. All right, the block content as a placeholder, all right, for where our individual places or things are going to be placed. So before we finish this up, that's where we're going to, so every page will probably have this look and feel because it'll all be based off of this one, but the content that's inside will change. We have saved this. And it says it also references the local CSS file. If we open it up, we're supposed to replace its content with the following code. That should be in public style sheets, style.css. I believe that's the one they want us to use. Let's double check. Public style sheets, style.css. Public style sheets, style.css. Replace its content with this code. So I'm going to copy. And save. All right, now we have a base template for creating a sidebar. In the next sections, we will use it to define the individual pages. So we are now through the first 3 of these. So when we come back, it'll be time to actually start putting the stuff in here. So as it says, and it would be pretty natural to do this, the first page that we'll be creating then will be the home page. All right. And I will come back with that in just a couple minutes.